While there are many kinds of machine learning algorithms, depending on the job, you may need to come up with algorithms that handle clustering, recommendations, and more. Be ready with these answers for your next data science interview.
Commander, we seem to be on our way to an iceberg. No, wait. Commandeer. I'm going to commandeer that vehicle so I can get from point A to point B. No. Okay. Those systems are just not working. A recommander system, however, is an information filtering system that predicts preferences or ratings for what a user would give. You see these a lot with products like Netflix or Amazon. I've worked on one of these in the past while recommending sites to visit based off user information. Okay, everyone, I think that if we maybe work together, we can filter all the unwanted things and filter all the good things. If we only work together and collaborate. Collaborative filtering is often used in recommender systems to predict the outcome using others' ratings, not just the user in question. For instance, you might not have enough data to predict what a user wants to see, such as a movie, but you can look how others were searching for movies and assume that this user would follow. Okay, this is not Mad Max, okay? This isn't some post-apocalyptic wasteland. We don't need any outliers here, okay? But how do we handle them? Outliers can be handled a few ways, depending on how important that data point is. You could remove the data point or assign it a value, such as first or the 99th percentile. Or you can use a non-parametric method for predicting your algorithm, although this would be a last resort if the data isn't viable for regression. Left, right, left. Okay, so we have obviously some steps to go over with this analytics project. Now, while each project might go differently, you always start with understanding the business problem and getting to know what data you're working with. Then, you can prepare data for modeling by detecting outliers, checking for missing data, etc. Run the model and analyze the result, changing it up and perfecting it. Once your model is good, validate it. Thank you. With another data set and start implementing the model, checking the performance over time. Oh shoot, oh no. Man, are they? Oh no. Okay, so I seem to be missing some values and the analyst is about to start. What do I do? Okay, so now, what do you do when this happens? This depends a lot on why the missing values are missing. If there is a pattern to it, I would analyze that first before making any assumptions. If the missing data seems random An easy approach is to just substitute the data with the mean or simply ignore it. Or possibly use a more sophisticated method of substitution like a maximum likelihood. Well, excuse me, how will I define the number of clusters in a clustering algorithm? No. How will you define the number of clusters in a clustering algorithm? Okay, fine, you're right. You asked me first. Let's do it. There are a few ways to choose a K. One agreed upon method is looking for the point at which you stop seeing decrements in the within sum of squares. You can also use a hierarchical clustering technique to first create dendrograms to identify groups from there. That being said, it's good to think carefully about clustering, since it's possible to have a more readable model with fewer clusters, even if the math suggests otherwise.
We hope this video helps you understand how to answer machine learning questions. But wait, don't forget to check out our other videos on data science, including theory, statistical analyses, and deep learning Q&As.